Hey there folks, welcome aboard United 1100 from Tucson. It is currently around 4:30 a.m. local time in Chicago. We're about to begin our left base turn to runway 27 left. Take a quick look what we're landing in. Pretty nasty, don't you think? But not for a bunch of professional pilots, as they were able to get us down safely. Anyway, we are aboard November 61898, a 3-year-old Boeing 737-900 extended range seat 24 Foxtrot. Now, take a quick look. We're hitting some pretty heavy snow right now, as you can see from the lights on the end of the wing. It's going to remain like this practically until landing, so sit tight.
At 1100 tower, runway 27 left, clear to land, wind 3505, RVR 6000.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to be the first to welcome you to Chicago, where the local time is 4:42 a.m. We hope you enjoy your time in Chicago or wherever your travels take you. And if this is home, welcome home. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is off. You can now use your phones and other small devices. Don't forget to check your seat back pocket to make sure that you have all of your personal belongings, and be careful when opening the overhead.
At 1100 sit break. Taxi departure, good morning.
Well, there you have it. We turned a plane into a snowblower. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this landing into Chicago. It's definitely not what I expected. And I also really hope that you put some serious consideration into hitting that red subscribe button to let me know that I need to start flying into bad weather again, because this was fun. And if you all haven't watched the Tucson departure, where we came from, go watch it. It's going to be linked up top. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Now all I can tell you is we're staying on this plane, but to where?